Hey folks, Dan Frio here, the rate update. Today is May 25th, 2021. You're going to like what happened to rates today, so don't go away. We'll be right back. Okay, numbers are trickling in from all over the place. So let's go over the economic calendar, what happened today, what's happening the rest of the week, and the prediction on what we're going to see for the rest of the week based on that information and the trends that we're seeing. So let's get on to that right now. So right now, you're seeing that the market is up 14 basis points. The MBS market. So what this is this is the bond that trades on Wall Street that is the biggest component of your mortgage rate. This is what's happening to the price of that bond. As the price goes up, rates come down. So if this price went down, rates would go up. But look at the trend that we're seeing right now, folks. We're back on a nice trend. We aren't back to where we recovered or where we recovered to about a week ago or so. But we're getting back there. We ended this debacle right here. So that's good news. So the trends are good. Let's see what happened to the economic calendar for today. Case-Shiller home prices year over year up 13%. Holy shnikes. That's phenomenal. FHFA home price index, those are up. So what this is telling us is the prices are going up and up and up. Okay, but they're not really nutso. They're up 13%. It was 12% last month. The consensus was 11.7. We're at 13.3, so that's pretty good numbers. Consumer confidence starting to drop a little bit. It was big last month, and it's starting to decrease right now. Not really sure what that's from, other than I think the stock market, it's dropping, and people have a lot of money in the stock market right now. So when that starts to drop, some confidence kind of comes out of the bubble there. New home sales, you're going to probably see a negative here. I reviewed these numbers. I didn't review this. I won't say a negative, but a drop, and there is a drop. We went from 917,000 from last month. The consensus was 950, which was supposed to be up. It's 863, so it's a reversal. The main reason for this, and I don't know why the consensus was 950, is, guys, there's no supply out there. There's no supply. We're getting houses on the market in Illinois, California, and Florida. They're on the market for a weekend, and they get 10 offers. And many of those offers are cash. So that's what's going on right there. The manufacturing index is up, which is good. So what do we have? We have home prices that are really steady. We have consumer confidence. I'll say it's steady. There was a little blip, but it's nothing in the negative territory. New home sales, they're as good as they're going to get because there's no inventory. So any economic news out today that should have affected the market, the only thing is at noon, the 2-year Treasury auction. Usually the 2-year doesn't affect us too much. The 5-year and the 10-year do. So let's see what happened midday when those numbers came out. So we can see through here, right around 2 o'clock, through here, everything good. And then we pushed up. So out of the gate, we had a little bit of a and then it recovered all day long. That is fantastic. So where are rates today? Rates are really stagnant. So what happens is Black Knight, they send out surveys all over the country to mortgage lenders, and we all respond with what our 30-year rates are. The 30-year conforming, jumbo, FHA, and VA. So the rates today, 315, 32, 325, and 28. Okay, what's the difference between, what happened over the last day, week, and month? That's what one-day delta means. It means a one-day change, 7-day change, 4-week change, so a monthly change. Basically, a basis point right here, you can see 2 BPS, that means basis point. 2 basis points in math is 0.02. So basically, nothing. Because there's no changes. If you change 1/100th in this equation here, it's not going to change anything. Okay, so basically, let's just assume unless we start hitting 0.125 or higher in these numbers, you're not going to see any changes. So over the last month, there's really no changes. I would rather have everything being stagnant than having this trend of way up. Okay, you've seen it's a gradual down and then it's steadied off. I see, and you can watch my videos back through, I see that we should be stagnant throughout the next couple weeks, if not months, until something comes out that kind of shakes the market. I don't want it, but that's probably what we're going to wait for. Okay, so I have a lot of people saying, hey, Dan, how about the 15-year? How about this? Guys, I'm trying to do this so you can kind of jump on, kind of see what the trend is on rates and where today's rates are. These are not my rates, but if you're quoted a rate, they should be in this ballpark. If they're a lot higher, be concerned. If they're a lot lower, be concerned that you're not getting overcharged with BS fees. Okay, so that's why I do this. If I posted every denomination or every combination of mortgage rates, you'd be here all day and it would be do you a disservice. So if you need a specific quote for your individual need, please call us or reach out to me via email. I'll give you that information here in a second. What I've been doing is I'm trying to recreate some things. People are kind of, they're like, some of your videos are too long, some are this. I want to educate you guys. So I started a Patreon page. I don't want you to pay me anything. I just wanted you to go in here and you can find detailed step-by-step information about particular loans, particular scenarios, programs, and so forth. So my YouTube videos are going to be short and sweet. I'll post everything, but then if you want to really, really dig in, check us out on Patreon, and I'll put that link down below. I also have podcasts, and they're on iTunes. You can check me out on iTunes, the Mortgage Update with Dan Frio podcast. There's a whole bunch on there. I used to do a radio show in Chicago for 13 years, and a lot of those shows are on here. Some are dated, but some are recently new. But I stopped doing that about 6-8 months ago. So I no longer do radio. I'm doing YouTubes and other podcasts and Patreons and stuff like that. So hopefully you can find out a lot of information here as well. What I ask you to do is, if you want to check us out and learn more about me and my team, check us out on YouTube, The Rate Update with Dan Frio. All I ask you to do there is please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the bell so every time I post a video, you get an alert. Put some comments down below. I'd love to hear them, and I reply to every comment that's listed if it's deemable with a response. Some people are just like, whatever, you guys get it. But I try to respond to every person. And then also too, if it's a specific that you want, please call me or email me so we can get, I can fine tune it instead of having all your, life history basically out on the web there. So check us out on YouTube, and then our website is therateupdate.com. You can click right here. This will take you to our online application. This is awesome because you can basically do almost your whole entire loan by your phone and your desktop. You can do everything from there. Plus, the benefit of using this technology, it gives you alerts every time your file moves a little bit further through the system. You know what's going on. We can tag and include your realtors on this, the buying agent, the selling agent, your attorneys, so everybody knows what's going on. Nobody's left out in the cold. Okay, so that's what happens there. If you want to call, most people are either call or schedule an appointment. Give us a call at 844-775-LOAN. It's 844-775-5626, or you can schedule an appointment. You can schedule a 15, 30, or 60-minute consultation. Just click into that field. It'll give you all the dates available. You can click that, and then you can pick the time that's specific to you. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Make sure you check out our Patreon page, and don't forget to give us thumbs up. We need your support. So thanks a lot. Take care. Have a good night. See you tomorrow.